Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Friends, today in this video we will talk about that how to create a YouTube channel. So in our last video we talk about that how to permanently delete our YouTube channel. So in this YouTube series we talk about all of your requirements about YouTube channel, A to Z requirements like from YouTube channel creation to YouTube channel earning, all the features, all the activities, all the analytics we discuss about. So let's move on the screen. You can see I open a Google tab in front of you. First of all, when you want to create a YouTube channel, so first of all you create a fresh Gmail for YouTube channel. So a YouTube channel and your Gmail are connected to each other. So uh, so first of all, I create a Gmail account. You can see I create a Gmail account in front of you. After creating a Gmail account, you go to the YouTube. You should go to YouTube. So you can see a YouTube dashboard open in front of you. This is the main YouTube dashboard where you can see all of your problems, problem solutions, your entertainment, all you need you can see here. So our motive is that we just want to create a YouTube channel. So I click on the account and you click on the YouTube studio because I want to create a YouTube channel, or you can click on the create a channel, so you can create a YouTube channel. So when you click on the create a channel, so this type of interface open in front of you. So this is the interface where you can create a YouTube channel. So in this box you can click a YouTube channel name, any name you want to create of your channel. So I entered my channel name, so I have my channel. So I have this type of name of my channel, Tech Bluff. So this is my YouTube channel name. So this is the YouTube handle. Any type you can use easily for your YouTube channel. If you don't want to see YouTube channel in search query, so then you click on the handle of your channel, so you can see in single step you can see your channel. So Tech Bluff. So this type of suggestion is about to me. So tag bluff 497. So I click on the create channel. So that's how our YouTube channel has been created. So you can see our channel has been created. So this is the procedure where you can create from which you can create a YouTube channel in just a single step. And the next step is when you created a YouTube channel, so I click on the new tab and I open a YouTube channel again. So go to the YouTube studio. So I click on the YouTube studio. So this type of interface open in front of you. So this is the main dashboard of your YouTube channel. So this is the main dashboard of your channel where you can see all of your channel activities like your YouTube videos, your summaries, views, watch time, trending videos, trending views, trending reach, all of your analytics about you can see here. So this is the main dashboard where you can see your trending video, your subscribers, your views, watch time, and each and everything you can see on this platform. So the next step is content. You can see all of your uploaded content here. So this is the box has your uploaded content, visibility restrictions, content date, content views, comments, like versus dislike, all of your analytics you can see here. So the next step is you can see these are the main dashboard where you can see all of your videos, views, watch time, subscribers, and live real time you can see, and the content, audience, and research. All activities you can see, you can watch here. And the final step is become a YouTube partner. So I hope you really this video is really helpful to you. If you really enjoy this video, so please like and subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon. And let's meet in the next video and next problem and next YouTube series. So so then take care of you. Thank you.